Hey guys, it's Kiera from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money on Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. Okay. Um. Now this is the simplest way I've seen to make money on Clickbank ever, and I'm just gonna spread exactly how to do that. Have you been following? I'm pretty sure you made some sales by this point, but we're gonna continue going here, especially if you focus on the product in which I personally see the most success with. All right, so what is my lead gen secrets? My lead gen secret is a system in which you can email leads that you collectively collect every single day. And it starts with 100 leads, but if you get a sale on my lead gen secrets, you turn that into 200 leads, which is bonus leads, which you'll make even more money with. Because you get 200 leads a day. All right, so we're gonna focus on here. We're gonna focus on what products they'll do the best here. All right, so the recommended is to have at least 2 accounts, so you'll get 300 leads. Once you make an account, be an affiliate for yourself, right? You'll have 300 leads. This will go up to 200, and then you have your new account, which will bring you to 300 leads. All right. But most people, if you want income, you want sustainable income with this, you need about 5 accounts. You need to put in work for about 5 accounts and just continuously mail them every single day. That's how you make sustainable income with this. All right, so let's continue here. All right, first thing first, we're gonna go to Clickbank. You go to Clickbank. There's a link in the description for all of this, by the way. Go to Clickbank, log in. It's very easy to do. Now once you get here, you want to click on Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, you'll come to this page here. When you come to this page here, you want to click on e-business and e-marketing. Because the people that sign into my lead gen secrets, they're very interested in making money online. So that's why you want to focus on that. You could try employment and jobs too. That might work as well. But I'm gonna focus on what I know works. For sure works. Which I know gets sales. Right? So that's what I'm gonna focus on here. So once you get on this page here, get paid for using Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This is the product that I personally think is the best product to use. So, and a ton of people are getting sales with this product. So we're gonna hit the affiliate page here and try to find leads to it. Email swipes, I meant to say. So click on email swipes right here, and then we come down here. We look at it. I think the last one I sent was this one, so we're gonna see what we can do with this one. So we're gonna this one right here, 200 per day posting YouTube comments. Now, at this point, I've sent all of these emails before. So what I could do, I want to show you guys this as well. Let me log back in. What I could possibly do is look for this particular email, because I'm pretty sure I sent it before. Right here, posting YouTube comments. Is this the same email? Yeah. So I could just load this email, and it has everything already logged in for me. All the information and stuff, got the link already ready, and all of that good stuff. We're gonna try a different name. I don't know if that does anything, but we're just gonna try it. That's the only thing we're gonna change about it. I'm gonna see if there's a difference between how many clicks I get on this one and the last one, because that's the only different change. That's the only real difference, besides having more leads. So yeah, you just do that if you already don't had the email before. If you've been following me, you got all of the social media. You got all of these emails in here already. So you could just continuously send them. Maybe maybe do something spicy with the Let's do something different here. Spicy. No. Not that. Let's at least pick one high. Yes. You know what? I'm just changing the title around a little bit. That's what I possibly offer you guys to do. Just switch it up a little bit. Same email and send it. Just like that. You can copy paste. You don't even have to use these. Once you get them all in, all you need to really do is just change the title a little bit, and you can just send the email there. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna check and see if the email works. The link works. The link works. Okay. We're just gonna send it like that. But yeah, so focus on social media income. This product here, you will get sales on my lead gen secrets. I've done it before. I do it all the time. It's the product that I promote on this channel here. But I'm only using one account, so I'm not making as much money as I could be using all of my accounts. But I'm just showing you how to make money the easiest possible way on Clickbank. And there's nothing easier than this. Like, there's no way to make money easier than this. There's a ton of ways to make money make money, but this is the easiest possible way. I personally promote this one here, right? Now, I can think of other ways to make money with this product easier, but you gotta make a page, you gotta do a lot of stuff before you start making money with it. You gotta pay for this, pay for that. But yeah, this works really well. Now, if you want to make full-time income, you need 5 accounts and you need to constantly post every day. All right. But here's another thing you could do here. Now, in the link in the description, there's going to be a start your business with $20 offer. Now, what you could do, sign into that. It's called Savings Highway Global, in which you can start your business and get sales off of that. When you get a sale on Saving Highway Global, first let me speak on what Saving Highway Global is. Saving Highway Global is this system in which you can you get in and it'll save money on your bills and stuff you already pay for. A ton of money off of that. And there's offers. There's when you travel, you maybe want to save money on something you're doing, stuff like that. It's kind of like a super, the extension Honey. It's like a super version of that. For like bills and stuff, like big bills and stuff, and save a ton of money off of stuff like that. So basically what I'm saying is, what's more important though is this affiliate system in which you can build recurring income with. So a sale is much more valuable when you get them, when you get the sale, because you're building recurring income. So every sale is much more valuable. That could be money you could be making for the rest of your life, So that's how you start a business with Saving Highway Global. That's what we're gonna focus on. And that's what I'm gonna focus on. But this is the Clickbank. This is how you get started. But eventually, start Saving Highway Global and start building yourself an income that you can live off of for the rest of your life. Get yourself to about $3,000 a month and you're good. You know what I mean? That's my goal, to get you guys to like $4,000 a month, somewhere around there, depending on where you live. You know what I mean? $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month should be good for you. That should be good for you, especially for not doing anything after a certain point. So I wish you guys the best of luck. Make sure to please like, comment, subscribe, get me in the algorithm. Give me some more views. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.